Hi, I'm Lydia with Visit Carson City, and today we're going to take you along the Kit Carson Trail, one of our most popular attractions here in the capital. It's a walking tour through our historic West Side neighborhood filled with attractions, landmarks, and historic homes that bring Carson City's history to life. We're here at the Nevada State Museum and we're going to meet with Dan Neverett. He's a docent here and he's going to give us a guided tour telling us the best history and stories of some of our most favorite landmarks and homes along the way.
Thanks, Lydia. We're going to stop by the Carson City Visitor Center and pick up a Kit Carson Trail map. The Kit Carson Trail is a group of 48 homes and residences. And the Curry House, the house we're approaching right now, is one of the primary ones that we talk about. It is constructed by Abe Curry, the father of Carson City, and it's constructed of sandstone. Now, Mr. Curry, when he arrived here in 1858, opened a quarry about 3 miles from town, a sandstone quarry. And from that quarry, these blocks were mined. Mr. Curry, in fact, used prisoners at the Nevada State Prison to mine the quarry, and these blocks were cut by the prisoners from that quarry.
Oh, wow.
One of the significant homes on the Kit Carson Trail is the Orion Clemens house. Mr. Clemens came here as the secretary for the territory of Nevada, and he brought with him his brother, Samuel Clemens. Samuel Clemens ended up being Mark Twain, and probably this home is where Mark Twain was born. Another interesting house in the tour is the Yarrington House. Mr. Yarrington was the commissioner of railroads, and he wanted to feel comfortable in his home. And so he had the windows in the sun porch shaped like the windows in parlor cars in trains back then.
Oh, okay.
This home has an interesting background. It's the Cavell House, and when it was built in the early 1900s, it had the state-of-the-art technology. It had lower ceilings to keep the heat in the house.
Okay.
It had indoor plumbing,
Wow.
indoor electrical service, and indoor gas service, which made it state-of-the-art for the time. This home is the Prague Home. Mr. Prague was the gentleman who initiated the sending of Christmas cards to his friends, family, and he lived here for a period of time in Carson City. The Blitz Mansion, when it was built in the late 1800s, was the largest and most innovative technology advanced home in Nevada at its time. It was built by Duane Bliss, one of the lumber barons of the time, and his company provided most of the wood, timber, and lumber for the construction of Virginia City, as well as for the mines in the Comstock Lode. The Governor's Mansion was built in 1908, many years after it was proposed, but most people in the legislature felt that it was too imperial to provide a mansion for the governor of the territory or the state of Nevada.
Okay.
So it was delayed until Governor Dickerson became the first resident of the mansion. And he lived in here for a very short period of time because he ran for re-election and did not get elected. Those are just a few of the stops along the Kit Carson Trail. We hope that you'll soon be able to join us and continue your journey through Carson City's historic West Side.